Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are watching this video first time, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and don't forget to press in the bell icon also. If you didn't press in the bell icon, you will not get any kind of notification from my YouTube channel. That's why you have to subscribe and you have to press in the bell icon. So today we'll discuss about the reference. Before also we discuss about the page layout, and today we'll discuss about the reference menu. If you have any kind of confusion in my previous video, in that case you can ask me. If you don't know about the another menu, so in that case you can check my previous video also, or you can check my playlist also from my YouTube channel. And today we'll discuss about the reference. So it's one of the amazing feature of Microsoft Word. It is very useful options. So how can you use the reference? It's one of the best features of Microsoft Word when you are typing a book. So without any late, let's begin our tutorial. And there are lots of sections available inside the reference. The first one is table of contents, the second one is footnotes, citation and bibliography, captions, index, table of authorities. Lots sections available inside the reference. So we'll start from table of contents. So you can see inside my document there is only one page, right? So if I want to add more pages, you have to press Ctrl plus Enter. Before also I talk about how can you insert more pages. So just wait for a moment. I'll go to here and I'll copy it. Just wait for a moment. I'm copying by pressing Ctrl plus C, and I'll go in second page now, right now. Just wait for a moment, and I'll paste it by Ctrl plus V, and I'll go in another page also, and I'll press Ctrl plus B. Now see, I have 5 pages available, right? 1 2 3. Just wait for a moment. What happened here? So I think it's not pasting here. Oh, what happened? Yeah, just wait for a moment. Yeah, now I have 4 pages available inside my page, right? So here is the first option is table of content. It's telling me that provide an overview of your documents by adding a table of contents. So first of all, I have to make a topic. So I'll make the video provides from add text. I'll make it label 1, or you can go in home and make it heading 1 also. It is the same. So I'll go in second page and I'll make the click insert as a second heading. So I'll go here and from add text I'll make it label 1, and I'll go in third pages and I'll make the 2 changes as a third heading. So I'll go to add text and I'll make it label 1. See, now there is 3 headings available inside my documents, right? So how can you make that one a table of contents? Just you have to go in table of contents and you have to choose which kind of styles you want. So there is automatic table 1, another is automatic table 2, another is manual table, but I'm choosing automatic table 2. Now see, there is the table of contents already completed, right? So you can also use these features to make table of content when you are typing a books. Now another option is update table available. So for this, just wait for a moment. I'll make another subtopic. So I'll go here and from the text I'll make it label 2. Now see, there is another subtopic available, but inside my table contents there is no my subtopic, right? So if in that case I need to update table. So for this, just I need to go in update table and just go to update entire table and click in OK. Now see, my subtopic also available inside my table of contents. Sorry. Another option is insert footnote. From the insert footnote, you can put some note in the end of your page. Say if you want to put some notes, just wait for a moment. I'm typing hello, hi, thank you. So I am putting the a footnote in the end of my page, but the in note will go in the last of your document. See, I have 4 pages and now my in note in my last pages. So from here I have to thank you, goodbye. I am using a in note in my document. Thank you, goodbye. So you can use endnote and footnote like this. And from the next footnote you can go from one footnote to another footnote, and from the show notes you can just you can choose you want to go in footnote or you want to go in endnote. You have to choose from here. And another options available is citations available. From the citations, just wait for a moment, you have to go in insert citations and just click in the add new source, and this window will pop up. You have to create a source. So from here you have to put author name. So I'm putting the base Rai, and you have to put the title of your book. I think I need to type computer, and which year. So I'm 2019, city Kathmandu, okay, and which publisher, Nepal Publishing House. So now I have creating a source. So after this, just you have to click in the OK. Now see, there is a citations available inside my document, and from the manage source you can manage it. There are lots of citations available, lots of source available. From here you can copy it, you can delete it, you can edit it, or you can make a new citation also from the source manager. And from the style you can give a different kind of styles to your source. See, there are lots of styles available. And from the bibliography you can make a reference. It's one of the amazing feature, right? If you want to create a reference, in that case you have to use this one. So from the bibliography you can use a reference, work citate, or bibliography. Lots of option available, but I'm choosing reference. Now see, there is a reference available inside my document. Just wait for a moment. Yeah, see, you can also see here there is a reference available inside my document, right? Another option is captions available. How can you use the caption inside your documents? First of all, you have to insert an image. For this you have to go insert pictures and just insert pictures. So I'm going to insert local disk. Just wait for a minute. Select photo, and from here I'm inserting a photo. Just wait for a moment. See, there is a photo available inside my document, right? And if you want to tell something about the photo, in that case you have to go in reference, and just you have to click insert captions, and you have to click OK, and you can use a caption inside your to your photo. And for this when you will use a caption inside your photo, you can use as a table of figure also. For this, just go to insert table of figures and click in OK. Now see, inside your table of contents there is a figure 1 table of contents available. It's inside of page number 1, right? You can also use insert caption. Another option is available cross reference. Before also we discussed about the cross reference. This is one of the amazing feature of Microsoft Word. From the cross reference you can use a different kind of reference type. You can use headings, bookmarks, footnote, endnote, equations, figure, table. Lots of option available, but in this case I'm using figure. And there is only one figure available inside my figure, only one figure 1 available, and so I'm inserting this one. And in my right side there is a insert reference to. What kind of reference you want to insert? See, you want to insert entire caption, or you want to only insert the label and number. So I'm using only label and number. Just click in the insert. Now see, just wait for a moment. What happened to my Microsoft Word? I think I put my cursor in wrong place. So I'm choosing only label and number. So I'm clicking in the inside. See, now my figure 1 is inside my document. So you can use the cross reference like this. Another option is mark entry available. So if you want to use your text, so if you want to mark, just you have to select and go to mark entry and mark it. Okay, so when you will mark your text, the show height option will be displayed inside your document. So if you want to disable this one, just go to home and just click inside the show height option. Now it's gone, right? So just wait a minute, I'm making another words also. Just go to reference and go to in mark entry and make it mark. Now see, I have now two text are marked, right, successfully. So from here I'll disable the show height. So if you want to use that one is a index, in that case you have to go insert index and just click in the OK. Now see, and now there is two index available inside my document. Another device is in the inside the page number 2, and click insert also available in the page number 2. Another option is mark citations. So if you want to use your text as a table of contents, in that case you have to use this one. So first of all you have to select some text. I'm selecting different galleries, and from here you have to just mark it. So I'm marking this one. When you will mark your text in that after this the show height will be again it will be open. So after this I'll mark another text also. Now see, there is two text available. One is different galleries, another is when you. So after this I'll go to home and I'll disable the show height, and I'll go in the table of contents. From the table of contents, if you want to use that one as a table of contents, just go to reference and just click in the insert table of authorities and click in the OK. Now see, the different galleries and when you is in inside my table of contents. So you can also use this feature to make a different kind of table of contents. So it's one of the amazing features of Microsoft Word. Or you can also use this one when you are typing a book and you want to create a table of content or a reference. In that case you can use this one. Hoping you understand about the difference and how can you make the table of contents. Hoping you understand. If you have still confusion about my video, you can ask me in the comment sections. Don't hesitate to ask me. I'll try to give answer of your every questions. And you can check my previous video also if you don't know about how can you use home menu, insert menu, design menu and page layout. I have already uploaded that video in my YouTube channel. You can check my playlist also. So don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching this video. Hoping you are liking my video. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to share this video also. Thank you so much once again. Goodbye. See you again.